everyone, welcome to Make It Monday. My name is Leslie and I am the Reading Machine Coordinator for Monterey County Free Libraries. Today for this Make It Monday, we're going to make another summertime treat. This is a popsicle or ice cream bar with sprinkles. It is another summertime treat that I really love and it is really fun to make. So in order to do this project, you will need a piece of cardstock and a piece of colored construction paper to go over it. Now, this is, it doesn't have to be exactly like this. You can just get a piece of cardstock or a piece of white paper and color it. I'm just going for something a little more solid, so I'm gonna do the cardstock with the construction paper. You will need some pipe cleaners. These will be used to make the sprinkles. You will need, of course, a craft stick or a popsicle stick if you prefer. And then a pencil for drawing, a pair of scissors for cutting, some glue, and a straight edge if you have one to help draw your ice cream bar. So grab those materials, meet me back here and we'll get started. The first thing that we need to do to make our sweet summer snack is to draw the ice cream bar or popsicle, whatever you want to call it. And to do that, I'm going to use my straight edge on my cardstock. The reason I've chosen cardstock is because it's a little bit thicker and so it will hold up better. So if you don't have cardstock, it's okay. You can use construction paper or anything else. As with all of our projects, we can make it work if you don't have the exact thing. So I am also using a leftover piece of cardstock because I don't like to waste paper. So I'm gonna draw my ice cream bar here on the side so that way I don't have to use a whole different piece of cardstock. So to do that, I'm going to use my straight edge to make 2 lines. And these are parallel to each other, and parallel means that they run next to each other. So you see they're side by side. That's what parallel means. And I'm going to connect them on the bottom. And then on the top, I'm going to draw a semicircle to kind of complete the bar. See how that looks? And then I'm going to cut this out. The next thing I'm going to do is to take this ice cream bar, which is white, and I'm going to trace it onto this pink sheet of paper. The reason I'm doing that is because I want my ice cream bar to be pink. And instead of coloring it, which is totally fine, I'm going to make things a little more challenging for myself and just trace it so that I can glue the pink paper on top of the white paper. So we just hold this and trace on top onto the pink paper. And see, we have a replica of the ice cream bar, which I am now going to cut out. The next thing to do is to glue our 2 ice cream bars together so that the pink one is on top. And now I have a pink ice cream bar that has a little bit more, it has a little more structure because of the cardstock glued to the back. Now I am going to use these pipe cleaners, these little pieces of pipe cleaners, to cut some little bitty sprinkles out. Okay, so I've got 4 different colors here and I'm going to cut a few times to get multiple colored sprinkles. Here we go. So I have some sprinkles here, and then I'm going to glue them onto my ice cream bar. Now that I've got my sprinkles onto my popsicle, the last thing I need to do is to glue on my craft stick. Okay, so I'm going to turn that over. I'm going to put some glue on the back. Just a little tap, tap, tap. And I suppose if you want to, you could put another piece of paper back here to kind of hold it all together. I don't think you have to do that. I'm not going to do that, but if you want to, you can. Okay, everyone, here is my finished sweet treat. This was super fun and easy to make. And it looks really, really yummy, but I'm not going to eat it because, of course, it's not real. Thank you for joining me for this summertime Make It Monday. I hope you have a great week. I hope you will continue making things, that you'll stay curious, and not worry about being perfect. Don't worry about making perfect projects. Just keep learning and enjoying when you're making things. So take care, everybody, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.